Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious smoothie. Making a perfect smoothie is simpler than you think, and it's a fantastic way to boost your daily nutrition. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to achieving that ideal creamy texture. Get ready to transform your breakfast or snack routine with these easy steps. Let's blend up something amazing together. Now, let's talk about the perfect balance of ingredients. A good rule of thumb is to start with 1 cup of your chosen liquid, like almond milk or water. Then, add about 2 cups of your favorite fruits, fresh or frozen. For an extra nutritional punch, incorporate 1/2 cup of leafy greens, such as spinach. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of healthy fats like avocado or chia seeds for creaminess and satiety. This ratio ensures a balanced and tasty smoothie every time. Achieving that silky smooth texture is key. Always add your liquid to the blender first, followed by softer ingredients like spinach or yogurt. Then, pile in your frozen fruits and ice. This layering helps the blades work efficiently. Start blending on a low speed to break down larger pieces, then gradually increase to high until everything is perfectly smooth. If it's too thick, add a splash more liquid. Avoid overblending to maintain nutrient integrity. The beauty of smoothies is their versatility. Feel free to experiment with various fruits, vegetables, and superfoods like spirulina or protein powder to tailor it to your taste and nutritional needs. You can also adjust the sweetness with a touch of honey or maple syrup. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 day. For those looking to make meal prep a breeze, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade smoothie.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.